Question. P.S. Square root of 3 plus square root of 2 whole times whole square root of 5 minus 2 times square root of 6 is equal to which of the following? Solution. Let us talk about the sixth property of square root and cube root. An even exponent under the same even root will result in an absolute value of the number, while an odd power under the same odd root will result in the number itself. So, square root of a squared times b equals modulus of a times square root of b, and cube root of a cubed times b equals a times the cube root of b. We will make use of the equations a plus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b, and a plus b whole times a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. We are required to select the option that is equal to square root of 3 plus square root of 2 whole times square root of whole 5 minus 2 times square root of 6. This is a logic-based question that frequently appears on the exam, so make sure you understand how to solve this type of questions. Using modulus a times square root of b equals square root of a squared times b, we have square root of 3 plus square root of 2 whole times square root of whole 5 minus 2 times square root of 6. Square root of 3 plus square root of 2 whole squared times 5 minus 2 times square root of 6. Using a plus b squared equals a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b, in square root of 3 plus square root of 2 squared, we have square root of 3 plus square root of 2 plus 2 times square root of 3 times square root of 2 equals to 3 plus 2 times whole square root of 3 times 2 equals to 5 plus 2 times of square root of 6. Thus, square root of whole square root of 3 plus square root of 2 whole squared times of 5 minus 2 times square root of 6 becomes square root of whole 5 plus 2 times square root of 6 whole times of 5 minus 2 times square root of 6. Then, using a plus b whole times a minus b equals a squared minus b squared, we get square root of whole 5 plus 2 times square root of 6 whole times of 5 minus 2 times square root of 6 equal to square root of whole 5 squared minus 2 times of square root 6 whole squared equals to 25 minus 2 squared times square root of 6 equals to square root of whole 25 minus 4 times 6, which is equal to square root of whole 25 minus 24, that is square root of 1, which is equal to 1. Thus, A is the correct answer. Answer A.